Beautiful book, wonderful illustrations. I keep giving this book away, hoping to keep hold of this copy. The photographs are excellent, not only a wonderful reminder of visiting Charleston, but also has some good ideas on decorative motifs. If you have never been, well worth a visit. It is as if they walked out yesterday. Great book, interesting exposition of places that were once peopled with Bloomsbury artists who left their marks there. A beautiful book, lots of interesting snippets of information about Vanessa Bell, Duncan Grant, their friends and family written by Vanessa's son and granddaughter. Even better, we are treated to glorious color photos of various rooms and pieces of artwork in the Charleston farmhouse, which has been lovingly preserved and restored. This book is an absolute joy, a wonderful addition to any collection of works by and about the Bloomsbury set, or indeed a visual feast for anyone who is at all interested in art and design. I purchased this book after my daughter, studying Art A-level, visited Charleston House. The book is providing inspiration for her exam art installation and is a superb reference piece. I have visited Charleston Farmhouse a number of times. You either love it or dislike it. I love it, and this book is fabulous. The photographs cover nearly everything in the house and garden. This is a real quality book, well worth the low price considering the amount of brilliant photography. Reading it brought many happy memories. This is the umpteenth copy of this book I have ordered over the years. For friends and to replace the copies I keep giving away. If you love or respect freedom to be oneself, then I wholeheartedly recommend it. After a visit to the house, this book explained so much. Great Christmas present, good quality, delivered promptly, especially as near Christmas. I have been to Charleston and was enchanted by it. This book does a good job to capture the beauty and uniqueness of the house and explain the stories of its inhabitants and the artistic work done here. It reads well and the photos are lovely. A beautiful book, wonderful as a memory of Charleston for those who have been there or as information for those who have not seen it live. Click link in description for more reviews.